When you want to start an online business or even a small side project, the very first and most important step is choosing a niche. A niche is basically a specific topic, audience, or market that you can focus on. Picking the right niche can make your journey much easier and more profitable. On the other hand, choosing the wrong niche can make everything harder, even if you work very hard. So, it is very important to understand how to pick a profitable niche before you start creating content or selling anything. But before that, just welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to discover the ways to earn online smartly. Today, we are going to talk about how to choose a profitable online niche. If you want to explore tools and resources that can help you to find the niche ideas and research their potential, check the special link from description. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description, because by using the link any available special tools or discount will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First thing is to understand about profitable niche. It is not just about what you like. Your interests are very important because you will be working in this field for a long time. But your niche must also have an audience who is willing to pay for the product, services, or solutions. So, when choosing a niche, always think about the demand first. You want people who are actively searching for the solutions, not just a topic that is interesting to you. Next, consider your knowledge and skills. If you already know something well, it will be easier for you to create valuable content or services in that niche. Beginners can start by combining their interests and skills with market demand. For example, if you like fitness and know a little bit about nutrition, you could focus on a fitness nutrition niche for busy people or beginners. Next, competition, that is another key factor. Too much competition can make it hard to stand out, but no competition may mean there is no market. The idea niche has enough audience, their interest and demand, but not too many strong competitors. One way to check this by looking at the what product, blogs or social media content are already exist. If people are buying, following and engaging, then it is a good sign. Another important point is the profitability. A profitable niche is one where people spend money. Even if you have a engaged audience, but if no one is buying, your business will struggle. So think about what products or services you could sell in your niche. Digital products, online courses, coachings, memberships, or affiliate products that are all popular options for online niches. Also, think about the long term potential. You want a niche that will last and grow over the time, not something that might disappear in a few months. Trends are okay for the short time income, but for building a stable online business, pick a niche that has the room to expand. Now, one helpful tips is to mix the broad and specific ideas. A very broad niche like health or the technology can be too competitive. A very narrow niche like gluten-free yoga for the beginners over 50, this is very specific but may have a small audience. Find a balance where your niche is specific enough to target a clear audience but big enough to have the potential customers. Another strategy to check the search trends and keywords. Tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and social media platforms can show you what people are searching for. This help you to find the ideas that are already in demand. Finally, test your niche before truly committing. You can create a small blog, a social media page, or a simple landing page and see how people respond. If people engage, sign up, or buy, it is a good sign that your niche has the potential. Testing early can save time and effort in the long run. So, in conclusion, choosing a profitable online business is about combining your interest, skills, audience demand, and profitability, and long term potential also. So don't rush this step because it is the foundation of your online business. A clear and well chosen niche makes your everything else easier. from content creation to marketing and selling the product. I hope this video helped you to understand how to choose a profitable online niche in a simple and beginner friendly way. If this video was helpful or useful to you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe the Easy Access Tech channel for more videos like this, and check the link from description for the special link and tools to help you to find the right niches. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.